Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from today's title, we are doing a Sephora haul. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I feel like there have been such amazing makeup jobs lately, and you know that Sephora is our one-stop shop for all and anything beauty. So shout out to Sephora for actually sponsoring today's video. Like I said, I'm super excited. I feel like I have some good products to share with you guys. So if you want to see the products that I got, please go ahead and keep on watching. If there's anything I love more than shopping at Sephora, it's actually being a part of the Beauty Insider program. If you have not signed up, this is your sign to sign up. And yes, I definitely used to be like you, where I thought like, why do I need to sign up for any of these programs or membership? But if you shop at Sephora, whether it's occasionally or all the time, you are missing out on all the amazing rewards and benefits that come with being a part of the Beauty Insider program. There are 3 different tiers to the program. There is the Insiders, VIB, and your Rouge. So for every dollar that you spend, you rack up points and you move up in tiers. But no matter what tier you're in, you're going to be receiving amazing benefits and rewards. You get anything from like samples to a seasonal savings to Beauty Insider cash. I literally received an email the other day saying I was like $48 away from being in the Rouge tier. Right now I'm currently VIB, so I'm getting that like Beauty Insider cash. So every time I spend, I've racked up enough points to where I can get $10 off for the most part. Like every time I buy something, they're like, oh, do you want to use your $10 off? And I'm like, yes girl, and give me that $10 off. So if you aren't signed up for the Sephora Beauty Insider program, please, this is your sign to just go ahead and sign up and start racking up those points. So this first product that I've had my eye on for a while, and I finally just gave in and I was like, I'm just gonna try it and see if it works. And this is the new face mini starter kit. This is the petite facial toning device with a microcurrency skincare. So it's basically like a 5-minute facial lift that you can do at home. So you can do it on your neck, your jawline, your cheekbones, and your eyebrow. This is gonna give you like a really cute snatched contour look, and obviously the more you use it, the better results that you get over time. So the kit came with 2 different activators, so you apply this as you go through the treatment. This is something that I just want to get into and I want to learn about, and I just want to see if it makes a difference. I kind of already have a little bit like of high cheekbones and I'm saying like a pretty okay jaw, but I want to see if it makes a difference, if it'll give me more of like a snatch look, you know, maybe lift the eyebrows a little bit, bring up the cheekbones, and you know, like you know, the neck. So I was like, I want to try this out. I want to see if it works. I've heard such amazing things about it, and all the girlies were using it at one point, and you know, I'm a little bit late to the party, but okay, I'm just like, this, let's see if it works. So speaking of skincare, I have really been trying to narrow down my skincare routine, but especially my skincare routine when I'm wearing makeup, because I feel like that's really important. Whenever I'm doing my makeup tutorials for you guys, I'm always trying to find really good like skincare hybrid products. And when I say skincare hybrid products, I mean skincare products that wear really well with makeup or underneath makeup. So this is a brand that I've just been hearing such great things about, and I actually had the chance to try out a couple products for myself, and now I'm just like, this is such a good skincare hybrid product. So I just want to show you guys, like, I've picked these up, I've tried them out, and I definitely recommend them. Obviously I'm talking about Glow Recipe, because they just have like the best products that wear really well under makeup. So I've tried both of these products out. I've used this one for about a week, and then today I had the chance to try out this new product, so I get to give you like a mini review on both of these products. So I've literally been loving the Watermelon Glow Dew Drops from Glow Recipe. This is going to give you that glow from within, okay? This is going to minimize the appearance of pores. You can use this just as your normal skincare, or you can double it as a primer and wear it underneath your makeup. Obviously, we love that. So this product I've been wearing for about a week, and the more I get into skincare, I'm always looking for like key ingredients for any type of antioxidants, for any hyaluronic acid, or anything that has a niacinamide in it, because because those are just going to be the things that give you that hydration and brightening and that glow from within. And definitely, so if you are looking for a product that is going to give you a glow from within, especially with the summertime coming in, because that's what you want. You want like that natural, illuminated, like glowy, but I'm not trying too hard, but girl, you see this glow type of appearance under our makeup. Now this product I have on today, and girl, let me tell you, can we get a close-up on my skin close? Because the pores, where are they? The skin, flawless. This product, I put this on and I was shocked. I was like, this product is so good, and I want to wear this in my like skincare makeup routine every single day. So it's basically a pore refining and blurring serum. The way that my foundation looks, I don't know if it's because of foundation or it's because of these drops, but the mixture of the two, like this is a duo that needs to stay together, because the makeup, my skin, it just looks so flawless and so good. So if you haven't tried any of Glow Recipes products, they're so good, and they found that sweet spot of like skincare and makeup wear that just goes together and makes your makeup look absolutely amazing while perfecting your skin underneath. Like, who does not want that? So we all know how much I love complexion products, and this complexion product, I am so late to the party, and I'm actually kind of embarrassed that it's taken me so long to actually try this product out. This is the Pat McGrath Labs a Sublime Perfection Foundation. It is so good, you guys. Like, I don't know why it just took me so long to try this foundation out. It is a sheer to a medium coverage foundation. I have it on right now. I am in the shade Medium Deep 28, but this foundation has such the prettiest finish. It's so skin-like, but still has a buildable wear to it. My skin, I wish you guys could see it. And mind you, I've had this foundation on since, I want to say 10 o'clock today, because I've been filming since earlier this morning. So I've had this foundation on all day long. It is now going on 9 o'clock at night. So that just tells you that this is a long wear foundation, and I haven't touched up anything either. I have not had to touch this up. It's just looked this flawless all day long. I didn't get oily. I've had like no shiny spots or anything. Like, this foundation is that girl, okay? This foundation is beautiful, and I'm so, like I said, I'm so embarrassed that it took me so long to try it out. So if you have not tried this foundation, this is your sign to try it, because it is so good. Another reason why I felt I needed to get it was because it is Black owned, and you know that we need to support, and you know the Black girls, we're always just gonna do it and have such beautiful ranges and undertones to whatever foundation or complexion products. And you know that Pat McGrath, like, she's not going to disappoint. The moment I put this on, I was like, yeah, exactly. This foundation is just so good. But honestly, that's another reason why I really love shopping at Sephora, because they really make sure to cater to all skin colors. But they always make sure to have their Black owned brands, and that's one thing that I've noticed throughout the years, is that they've really made the effort to carry Black owned brands and show support and be diverse in the products and brands that they carry in the store. I love that I'm literally wearing like almost every product that I'm showing you guys, because these products are really so good, and some of them are new, some of them are old, some of them are like re-ups. So this is just like a fun way for me to be like, okay, this product is good and I'm wearing it. I'm not just like telling you about it, like, girl, I'm wearing it. I'm testing it out for you as we speak, okay? So this next product that we are going to get into, this is not new. This is an OG product. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. She's just that girl. Like, this is the concealer that you just need to have in your makeup collection. Like, it has such a pretty finish. It looks so beautiful under the eyes. I never have any cakiness. Flawless under eye every single time. No creasing. Flawless. It's one thing to put on like a beautiful foundation, but I just feel like the under eye concealer is like what seals the deal. That's when everything starts coming together. Once you blend out the concealer and you're like, yeah, okay, okay, you start getting that little bright under eye coming in, you know, face looking a little sculpted and snatched. I love that. And this concealer is just always going to do that for me. So I feel like if you keep up with any of my tutorials, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube, you know my love for blush. I am obsessed with cream blush. Like, it's just one of those steps in my makeup routine now that is just a must. Like, I cannot go without it. I feel weird if I don't put it on, and I feel like I can never put too much on. So this next product is the Charlotte Tilbury blushes. This is the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. It's an easy liquid blush. These are so cute, and I really love like pinks and corals. I think they just look so beautiful on the skin. So these blushes were literally like a no-brainer. When I saw that she was even coming out with blush, I was just like, absolutely, like I have to try this. I need to get it. So obviously, like, I was gonna get it, and it's like Charlotte Tilbury. Like, as of this point, like, there's nothing that she could do wrong in my eyes. Like, every product is just always a hit. Like, once I tried the foundation, I was just like, girl, like, why have I not tried Charlotte Tilbury products? I have on the Pink Pop right now, and you guys know how much I love pink blush. Like, pink blush speaks to my soul because I just think that it just looks so pretty. I absolutely love when cream blushes are matte. I feel like they wear better underneath, and they're more pigmented, and they blend out more nicely. Like, they don't really move around too much. You have a little bit more of a controlled blend when you are blending or like working with them, versus the ones that are like more sheer or like glittery, or like, you know, those ones just, they just move around a lot. So when they're matte, I just find that they just blend out beautifully. So speaking of blush, yes, I'm absolutely obsessed. So this next product definitely was heavily influenced by it, because I have seen so many people wear this blush. They try it on, they love it. I've seen it in person. One of my best friends, we were out and about somewhere, and she pulled it out and she put it on, and it was just like the prettiest blush that I had seen. Like, I was just like, I need this blush in my life. And they were always sold out at Sephora, especially like once something goes viral on TikTok. Like, everyone's taking it from Sephora. So I ended up going to Sephora and getting the last one, okay? I swear, like, right after I went up and asked for it, somebody else walked up and they're like, oh my god, do you have this blush? And I felt so bad, but I was just like, girl, I'm going to the cash register. This is mine. This is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. This is in the shade Pink. Oh my god, you guys, if you have not tried this blush, it is the prettiest blush ever. It's so beautiful. I love pairing this blush with like a pink setting powder. It's pigmented enough to where it stands out, but not pigmented where, you know, you can just put on blush and you're like, oh my god, this is a lot. I like, it's kind of like a buildable blush. So you just add a little. Sometimes I'll sit there and like add some, and then I'll just achieve this like beautiful like baby pink blush where it kind of just hugs my cheekbones, and it just, oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I kind of want to apply it a little bit on my cheeks so you guys can see. I don't know how much you'll be able to see because I already have kind of like a blush on, but we're just gonna go right in. It's literally just like the prettiest blush. It's so subtle, so cute, and it's my favorite. Like, if you have not tried this blush, you need to try it. And I know it's a little bit more on the pricier side for blush, but that's why you're gonna sign up for the Sephora Beauty Insider program. You're gonna rack up those points and you're gonna get those savings, okay? So you know that I definitely used my $10 off when I went to buy this, because we need the savings, okay? We need to save all we can. And then I just get those points back because I'm obviously purchasing something, and every time you spend $1, you get a point. So even if you're spending like $30, that's 30 points that you've already got, okay? So I don't know what it is lately, but I've been absolutely obsessed with like lip tints and lip plumpers. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just obsessed with a good lip plumper lately, and it's just my thing. Like, I won't do a normal lip gloss, but if it's a lip plumper, absolutely give it to me. So this next product definitely influenced by, you know, like the TikTok girlies or whatever. This is another Dior product. This is their Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This is like a lip plumper, kind of like a lip tint too, because it has kind of like this purple plum type of tint to it. But oh my gosh, obsessed. I've been wearing it all day long. I am just like obsessed with a good lip plumper, and I like that this is kind of like a subtle lip plumper. Like, you know, the effects of the lip plumping isn't too much. Like, it's not really like that burning. It's just like a nice little like cooling. It makes your lips feel real nice while giving your lips a nice little plump. And I just love lip plumpers lately. I'm like lately become that lip gloss girl where I'm like, all I need is my lip gloss and mascara. Literally, I'm like, all I need is mascara and lip gloss lately. I don't know what has gotten into me. I'm still full coverage though, but we've just, you know, minimized a couple things. The lashes are a little shorter, more natural, and the gloss, we've just been doing like lip plumpers and lip tints lately. But I'm not mad at it because she's cute. So for this next item, I've definitely for the past couple of months really have been trying to learn about perfumes because I love to smell good. It's one of the biggest like compliments when someone tells me how good I smell, and I get it all the time where they're just like, you, every time I'm around you, like you always smell good. Like when I go out places, I get compliments on the scents I wear. So I felt like I could not do a Sephora haul and not get a perfume because duh, they have like such amazing perfumes, scents, fragrances, brands. Like literally, if you want a perfume, you know that Sephora is going to have like such good smelling perfumes. So I had to get this perfume because so many compliments, I hear so many people talk about it, and Rihanna wears it. So I was just like, I need to try this. And it's the Kilian Love Don't Be Shy. Let me tell you guys, this fragrance smells absolutely amazing. It's like a mixture of like a warm floral type of fragrance. It has this vanilla, it has this orange blossom. It smells absolutely delicious. Like that's kind of the only way that I can describe it, is that it smells delicious. Once you spray it, it calms down, it smells good, and it just lingers in the prettiest way, and it smells so good and scrumptious, like somebody just wants to eat you up. But then it has like this nice, like, it just smells so amazing. 100%, I'm buying the full size bottle because I need it. And I know it's on the pricier side, but I understand why it's on the pricier side because of how good it smells. If you have the chance to test this out and smell it, oh, you will not be disappointed because it is absolutely beautiful. So that is all for my Sephora haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that I was able to put you on to some products to try out that you haven't tried out yet, or even confirm that the products that you do have now are bomb and you are that girl because you have these products. I think I got some good picks in there. You guys let me know down in the comments. But once again, thank you so much to Sephora for sponsoring this video. You know Sephora is that girl, okay? And like I mentioned, if you are not signed up for the Sephora Beauty Insider program, you are missing out. It's absolutely free to join. Go get it. Go get those points. Start racking up and get those benefits, girl. Don't wait. Go do it now. I'll wait for you. Just kidding. Okay, but go on Sephora.com and sign up for that. You will not regret it. All the products that we talked about today will be linked down in the description, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. We'll have direct links to every single product. You can shop on Sephora or Sephora.com to get these products as well. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and let me know if there are other products from Sephora that you've been wanting to try out that maybe I didn't talk about, but you're like, girl, you need to try this out. Let me know, okay, you guys? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next one. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye.